Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's Micros Market Recap. We're at the New York close. It is Monday, November 14th. Already going through the halfway mark of this month, pretty much. It's going pretty quick. Let's get right into it with today's Micros Market Recap with oil. Oil opening below Friday's range, below the close. I think the close is around here. Had some trouble at the first 30 minutes, but after that, well, I guess the first hour after that, they shot up to that close and then quickly dropped like a rock. Not really that quick, but still, they did drop down and sustain that momentum for the most part. You can see 1, 2, 3 potential entries, 3, 4 potential entries there for micro oil. For a Monday, that's actually really good. Remember, Mondays we don't really like. Gold. Just take a quick look at gold. Gold open not too far from its close. Its close was right here, and it just shot straight up to it and just continued that momentum. Turned that resistance HVA into a support one and shot right off of it, or bounced off it, I should say. Monster entries there. 2 good ones for students to potentially look at. ES here. Not a lot of movement in the equities. I will say that there was some back and forth in play at these HVAs, but for the most part, it was sideways, which is not bad. It just was slow, and that's okay too, as long as you know what you're looking for. So we opened below the close, I believe, and had to move up, hit that HVA edge. Did not break it once, twice, 3 times. 4th time, made some more penetration up, but came back down 5 times, 6 times. You can just see it was a battle of that HVA for the good 15, 20 minutes. And they finally got into it after rejecting those lows. And it was just a little choppy, but you can see that they sustained the movement up overall through lunch. And then after lunch, the sellers kicked in and just finally made some new lows of the day. And they ever. They just dropped it. Probably good. Let's see here. That's the low. That's the high. A good third of the day's move was in the last 20 minutes of the market closing. So you could say that was pretty slow for most of the day. As far as the NASDAQ goes, similar story, except for there weren't any new lows. Right? That opening of the market here had to move up, and then they tried to make some new highs, set in that low, and then, like we said in the ES, during lunch, they kind of just melted up ever so slightly, and then came down again, like we had just got done saying. But they never made new lows in the NASDAQ, just those new highs. But again, plenty of opportunity at those levels for potential entries. I can see 1, 2, 3 long potentials that set up that you would have been pulled in. Let's see if we go forward back. That's another long, another long. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8. There's a short there. Short. So still plenty of opportunities for potential entries for our students. Whether or not they took them, that's another question. It was a little bit slow today. So with that being said, we are finishing net down in the ES, net down in the NASDAQ, and net positive in gold, and net down in oil for a Monday. Now, we got holidays coming up next week, so I don't know if it'll get any busier this week or if it'll kind of just, meander along through the holidays until middle of January. We just don't know. We can get volatility at any time, but with that said, if you are interested in finding out more information about these levels and how you can get them onto your charts, feel free to reach out to us. They are HVAs, or high volume areas, and they are used with our methodology that we teach live in the room every day. If you want to learn how to trade futures, new or experienced, and I say experience in quotations because if you're looking into us, then you obviously don't know what you're doing on your own. Just going to say it. Again, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co. Get in touch with the representative at either location. They'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to having you there.